So yeah, get excited. So we'll start with today's questions. So it's big problems in big cities. We can skip the lore, but so here's question number one. Basically, the gist is that you have been hired by the big city bank to develop some kind of banking platform. And in order to register their accounts, don't worry about actually building the platform. All we're doing is we're creating the types of accounts that we need to, sorry, all we are implementing are the different types of accounts and implementing associated properties and actions within those accounts. So let's take a read here. So you have been hired by Big City Bank to develop their virtual banking account. Big City Bank offers 3 different kinds of bank accounts: basic, premium, and ultra elite. So each bank account has a balance and interest rate. The balance is set to an initial deposit through passed through the constructor, and the annual interest rates vary by the types of accounts. You will implement the actions deposit to increase the balance, take out to decrease the balance, and simple interest. Takes in some argument years and returns to simple interest as a float. The premium and ultra elite accounts also have an annual fee. So you might have to create a function to subtract the amount from their balance that they have the funds. So here's the table just listing the different types of accounts. So we have the basic account with the B emoji. We have the premium and the ultra elite, all caps and with an underscore. And we see the interest rates 10%, 13, and 17%, as well as the annual fee. What classes do we have to create for this problem? So read the question and tell me what the 3 things we need to make here are. Give you a hint, 3.
So you've been hired by the big city bank to develop a virtual program. Okay. So what type of classes are we doing? Are we doing for basic, premium, and ultra elite, that type of class?
Well, I mean, you said the answer. So we're creating bank account types, right? So the idea is that for their banking service, it will be some kind of app. We have to develop their backend for them, and their backend will have 3 different types of accounts that you can open. So what we're designing essentially is the 3 different classes that will be created when a user registers an account, or one of the 3 that they will select from. So we're going to need to create a basic bank account, premium bank account, and an ultra elite bank account. So let me share my screen. I'm going to show you guys. So what I did is I created 3 classes. One of them is called basic bank account, one of them is called premium bank account, and one of them is called ultra elite bank account, no caps. And we read the question, right? And it says that we need to implement the actions deposit to increase the balance. And what is the balance here? So Brian, how about you answer this question? So what is the balance inside of this question? So what is this thing here?